Welcome. I'm so excited for today's tutorial because we are going to create a website in Canva. It is not a professional website, but you can actually access your website. You can put your name, your data, and you can also attach your social media handles like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, as well as it can resize automatically according to your devices. Like if you are accessing this website on the laptop or desktop, then it will be in the landscape mode, or if someone is accessing your website through mobile, then it will be in 16:9 ratio. So let's go to Canva and let's search for websites. So I just want to create a single page website, or I'm going to choose a template because you already know how to create from the scratch, everything from the scratch, because up until now we learned how to create designs. So I guess you know how to create website as well. You can just go through any template. You can take inspiration from that, or if you want, you can just use this template. Those are totally free and you can directly publish your website for free using Canva. So let me choose a template, single page template. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go with this one. I think this is the one page website. If I click on this, so as you can see, this is single page website and there are some recommendation also. So I just want to show you how website works. If you want to use like a 5 page or 9 page or 10 page website, you can do that. You can just click on it and as you can see, it is scrollable website. You can add your products, you can add your text like a product description about your products and all that. For now, let's go with the single page website and let's customize this template. Okay, so I will edit all the things and I will see you after that. Okay, so in this website we can also attach your social media like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and LinkedIn. So you just have to click on the icon and just go to this link button. You will get the same option over here by clicking on the more, and you can see we get the option called link. You can also use shortcut Ctrl+K. Let's link it. I think I have to add for all the social media, so I will add those. Add the link and hit the enter. Link will be in that icon. Okay, so currently I don't have any resume or profile which I can attach to these buttons, but if you have those, then you can attach to this portfolio and resume. So I think I'm done with everything, like with the email, with the social media, as well as this text. So now it's time to publish your website. But before we do that, there are some steps we have to follow. Like we have to give the title for this website, and let's rename this website as well. And we have to give the heading. So page heading will be, I think in my case it is like freelancer website or about me website. So I'm gonna type just about me, and over here we can paste some text like this is demo website. Okay, so we are good to go now. Now let's go to publish website and let's publish our website. So after clicking on the publish website, as you can see, we get this option like this is how it is going to look after publishing our website. As you can see, for mobile it is already resized. Let's say if you open this website in the mobile, then it is automatically gonna resize for you. And the next option is like we can navigate through website. So by default it is with navigation, but if you don't want any navigation on your website, you just want to show your stuff, then you can just click on this button. But I want to navigate some things, like I want to, if I click on the Instagram logo, then it will redirect to my Instagram. And with free account you can publish your website up to 5 pages, as you can see. But currently I have only 1 page, so it is also free. But if you have 6 pages, then you have to buy a premium version of Canva. Let's say you have any domain like a .com domain or .org domain you already purchased from third party. You can just tag it over here. You can upload this page on that domain as well. So currently I don't have any domain and I want to publish this website as a free. So I'm going to continue. So this is going to be my URL, like chetanpujari.demo.mycanva.site demo website. And this is the browser tab preview. If you want, you can edit this as well. Let's go and edit some stuff, like we can give a different logo. So I think I'm going to go with, I guess, let's go with this one, like Google for temporary. So it is taking time. I think my internet connection is slow, so that's why it is taking time. So logo is added and let's click on the done. If you want to change the name, you can do that as well from here, but let's change it. Like I will name it like Chetan Pujari. I don't want to add any description in this website, but if you want, you can do that. Or I can just copy paste these things, like this stuff. So I think there is a character limit, so I'm gonna keep it up to like this. And so there are some options like you can enable this password protection and you can hide your website from the search engine. Let's say if someone wants to find you on the Google or yahoo.com. Let's say you don't want to share this website with anyone, then you can hide from me over here. So I want to share this, so I'm gonna publish this right now. So it will take time depending on your internet speed and depending on your performance. Okay, so now our website is live now. Let's go to website. So as you can see, this is how our website looks, but there is a one thing you have to keep in mind. If I scroll down, as you can see, it is showing design with Canva. Okay, so we added all the social media. I think email not gonna work because it is not the proper link, so that's why it is not gonna work. But we can access Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and LinkedIn. So let me minimize this website first. And if I click on the Instagram, as you can see, my Instagram page is loaded over here. After that we had Twitter. After that Facebook, as well as LinkedIn. So this is how website works in Canva. You can directly send this link. You can directly send this link to your friends or your clients. Then they will know what kind of work do you do and some information, some basic information about you and your social media as well. So if I open this in the smartphone, then it is gonna look like this. As you can see, all the icons are rearranged in the mobile format. So we don't have to do that manually. So Canva is like really smart. It does everything automatically. And I want to show you one thing. As you can see, we added that favicon, that Google icon, as well as the text of our website, like Chetan Pujari bio and this Google icon. So it is also present over here. Okay, so there are some things I need to tell you first. So currently, this is how our website looks. If I want to make some changes, like let's say I want to change this like in person and online, or into like online, only online. Let's edit that. And if I refresh this page again, as you can see, it is not updated because we have to publish it again. If we don't do that, then it is gonna stay in old version. So for that, we have to publish our website again. Let's say you make any changes, like if you change the photo or your social media links, then you have to publish it again. So let's go to publish your website and let's publish it again because all these settings will be same. So let's go and continue and publish. Now our website is live again. So if I refresh this, just focus on this text. So as you can see, the text is changed now. So that's the benefit of Canva, and this is how you can create awesome website in the Canva, some basic website in Canva. You can copy paste your website link and you can just put this link into bio. But before you do that, I will suggest you to like a short URL. So okay, there are some websites like short URL as well as, and there is also bit.ly. So let's go with short URL and let me copy paste this one. And this is gonna be our original website, and let's short it. So this is gonna be our short version, and if I paste it in new tab, so as you can see, it is working same. Only difference is that the URL is shorter, and in this case URL is kind of too long. So that's the benefit of shorting your URL. So that's how you can make really awesome cool website in Canva. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.